Transform your Webflow blog from a bottomless pit of posts into a beautifully organized treasure trove of information, making it a joy for your readers to explore every article. Let's dive into Webflow and make your blog navigation shine by adding pagination, a crucial element for managing your content effectively and keeping your audience engaged. First, navigate to your Webflow designer and select the collection list that displays your blog posts if you don't have one set up. You'll need to create a blog CMS collection and then add a collection list element to your page to display its items. Now, go to the settings panel for your collection list. You'll see an option for pagination. Click on this to reveal the pagination settings. Here, you have two key settings to configure: items per page and pagination style. Under items per page, choose how many blog posts you want to display on each individual page. This is a great way to control the density of content and prevent overwhelming your readers. For a cleaner look, consider displaying between 5 and 10 posts. Next, under pagination style, you can determine how the pagination will appear to your users. You can opt for simple number links, stylish navigation arrows, or a combination of both. Choose the style that best complements your website's design. Once you've made your selections, Webflow automatically generates the pagination elements directly on your page. You can then style these elements to perfectly match your brand's aesthetic, adjusting fonts, colors, spacing, and sizes. Commit your changes and preview your site. You'll now see your pagination elegantly displayed at the bottom of your blog post list, making it incredibly easy for visitors to navigate through your content, discover older articles, and stay on your site longer. With these simple steps, you've successfully enhanced your Webflow blog's navigability, ensuring a fantastic user experience for every reader who lands on your site. Happy blogging!